Hey there, it's Michael here, and welcome back to another Happy English Saturday Short, your quick tip for speaking English better. Today, let's look at negative questions in English. We often use a negative question like, "Isn't this?" or "Aren't you?" in conversation. Technically, these are not questions for asking something. They are a casual and friendly way to confirm something or make a suggestion. For example, if you and your friend are at the pier on a sunny day, you might say, "Isn't this a perfect day for fishing?" You're not really asking for information, you're confirming what you already think. Or, "Aren't these donuts delicious?" Or, if you're making a suggestion, you can use the same pattern, like, "It's almost 5 o'clock. Isn't it better to take the subway?" Here, you're giving your suggestion in the form of a question. Here's another one. "The exam is a week away. Shouldn't you start studying?" So remember, negative questions like this are great for confirming ideas or suggesting something in a very natural, conversational way. Isn't that interesting? So, aren't you going to try to use this kind of English in your conversations this week? Oh, and don't forget to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next Happy English podcast and next week's Saturday Short. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep learning and keep it cool.